In this session, I'll show you an alternative way to access ChatGPT through Microsoft's version, which is integrated directly into the Bing browser. Technically, it's still ChatGPT under the hood, but the key difference is that this version is free and offers many of the same features, including image generation and web-based responses. The only requirement is that you use the Microsoft Edge browser. So, if you're looking for a no-cost option to brainstorm, write scripts, or generate images, Microsoft's Bing Chat is a solid alternative. Head to bing.com and let me show you how to access it and what it can do. There are really two main ways to use Microsoft's version of ChatGPT, both powered by Copilot. First, in the top right corner of the Edge browser, you'll see the Copilot logo, a small add-on icon. Clicking this opens a side panel with an integrated ChatGPT experience. Here, you can ask it to generate text, create images, or even upload your own image for analysis and description. It's not the fastest tool out there, but it's an easy and convenient way to explore the AI features we have used in this course. Secondly, you can visit copilot.microsoft.com directly. This full-page version offers a more spacious layout and expanded capabilities. You can also find this link next to the Bing search bar when using bing.com. However, this version does require you to sign in with a Microsoft account to use it fully. Both options offer great free alternatives if you're looking to generate product images, create scripts, or brainstorm ideas.